Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to delete your account on TikTok forever. It's easy, just keep watching. First thing you need to do it is going to your account on TikTok, and after that go into your profile, and then here you will click on this icon here, burger icon, and then click on setting and privacy. After you click on setting and privacy, here you will click on account. After you click on account here, you will see the active or delete account. You will click on it. And then here you have two choices. You can deactivate your account or you can delete your account forever. Here what we're talking about is delete your account. You will click on delete account. And here you will give TikTok a reason why you need to delete your account on TikTok. You will choose any reason from these reasons, doesn't matter, or you can click on skip. After that, TikTok tells you you can download all your posts like videos on your account before you delete it. If you don't care about the content in your account, you will click on continue. After you click on continue, TikTok tells you your account will be deleted after 13 days. If you are sure that you need to delete your account, you will click on continue. After you click on continue, TikTok will send you a code in your email that you added it in your account to make sure that you need to delete your account. After you get the code and enter the code to TikTok, you will click on submit, and then here you deleted your account forever.